So I've sworn about these bottles until I noticed when I was shaking them that it was leaking, and I thought it was from the top of the lid, but now I see they're all leaking, as you can see, from the middle. 4 out of my 6 bottles, they all seem to have this split, and my son's only 7 months, and he doesn't really drop the bottles like that. I pretty much still feed him. He doesn't really hold the bottles too much. So now I just realized 4 out of my 6 are doing this. So I'm hoping that there is no glass inside and it's getting into, I know they say no, but there's little cracks. I don't know if it's from the sterilization. I have no clue. I use a machine, not a pot. But they're all cracked here. Real nice.
En eso, yo pagué por un biberón de vidrio. Miren lo que me llegó. Un biberón totalmente de plástico y un plástico sumamente fino. Cuando ahí decía que era un biberón de vidrio. Esa marca totalmente un fiasco, esa tal Chicco. Gracias a Dios que compré otros más, que estos sí que vinieron de vidrio, muy delicadito. Los de la marca Matias. Y eso sí lo recomiendo. Pero esto, esa vaina es un tollo.
Shatterproof, very clear, looks like glass. It's amazing. I love it.
I cannot explain to you how much I love these bottles. These are the only bottles that my baby will take. It's the Chicco bottles. They're plastic on the outside, glass on the inside. And I mean, the only nipple that she will literally take. It is awesome. Absolutely recommend. 10 out of 10.